I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and happy new year. Welcome 2018. I am so excited. I have such good vibes about this year. It's going to be great. We're going to make it great. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to stop clapping because it's really annoying. So in today's video I'm going to jump straight into it. I'm filming a makeup look right here, which is super like hot fire, pink eyes, super glam, my kind of vibe, warm toned pink looks. Yes, so I filmed this makeup look with the humongous, I did not realise how big this palette was. This is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. Would you just look at how many colours you get with this palette? Oh my Lord Jesus. So I literally just used this colour, this colour, this colour and that colour to create this look. That's it. That's it. I haven't even touched the rest of the palette, I just got lipstick on it, lip gloss. Lip gloss is popping all over the Morphe palette. But yeah, I got this palette for Christmas. I am in love with it. I can't wait to kind of like dive into these shades, into these shades. I'm going to do more looks with this palette because there's so much endless possibilities. But I figured for my first video 2018, rather than doing something with these because my Christmas makeup was green, I'd rather just jump straight into the colour that attracts me the most, which is this gorgeous like hot fire pink shade, which I've got on the lid right here. It's for Christmas and I'm in love with it. I will list all like the shades and everything because they now have these like little covers with the names on them. Really nice. I'm very excited to be filming, can you tell? But yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please carry on watching and I will show you how. Also, as a side note, I am going to be filming loads this year. I will do it. Yes, I will. It'll be great. Anyway, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please carry on watching and I'll show you how. So let's jump right on into this. So I'm taking the lightest transitional shade from the Morphe palette and blending this into the crease of my eye using my fluffy Sigma brush. I'm using this in little backwards and forwards motions, little circular motions just to really buff out the edges. With any makeup look, I highly recommend going in with a transitional shade as it will just help everything out blend out so much nicer. I'm going with a super bright orange shadow, which I love. I can use this in so many different makeup looks. I love it. I'm going to blend this into the crease of my eye. This was also my first time using this palette and I'm so impressed. Like, I've never really used the updated Morphe palettes. I've got the Morphe purple palette and it's amazing, but this palette is unreal. 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 I love it. So I'm going that into the crease quite heavily and then I'm going to take the brush which had the lighter transitional shade and run that along the edges. Then I'm going in with this like raspberry Barbie pink shade, I want to say. It looks slightly purpley in the pan. Then I'm going to blend this into the crease of my eye using my crown brush. Just applying a little bit more at a time to build up the intensity. I realised as I was going like through this makeup look that I wanted a really intense look to start off the year. I was like, do you know what? 2018 is going to be an intense year. It's going to be great. Let's make our eye makeup great and intense. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to take the brush that had the orange on it and just go sweeping over the edges. Apologies, this bit is a little bit out of focus. That's just because when I'm doing this I have to kind of like go really close to the mirror and my camera only keeps me in focus for part of that. But hopefully I'll be able to invest in a camera that like auto focuses for makeup tutorials soon. So yeah, I'm just going to conceal my lid. It's not so much really for a cut crease, it's more just to make this pink shade which I'm applying really vibrant because I didn't know how intense the shadows would be. And also I just like something for these shadows to stick to. So I'm apply that all over the lid using a random flat shader brush. This is from one of the Urban Decay palettes. Then I'm going into the crease of my eye in little windshield wiper motions with a crown brush, and then going over the top with the orange shade as well, just to further intensify things. I'm also taking the highlight shade from the Sleek Solstice palette and going over my brow bone, and then again with that big fluffy brush just blending everything together. Now that I'm satisfied with these gorgeous, bright, bulby pink, hot pink, fire, flame eyes, I'm going to apply a winged liner. This one is the Rimmel Exaggerate Liquid Liner. It is really good, however, it's on its last legs. There is hardly anything in the bottle, which is why it does look so dry, so I need to repurchase a new bottle of this. I've discovered, you know what, I'm not very good at gel liner. It's just not my forte. I'm much better at liquid liner with a really thin, like, brush. So I'm just going to repurchase this once I get around to it. I'm curling my lashes using my Avon eyelash curler, and then putting some mascara on. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Just applying a generous coat of that through my lashes. For my falsies, I'm taking the Lovable Lashes in the style Drama Queen. I do have a discount code as well. I'm not too sure if it works anymore, but if so, it is shivonmakeupbiz, just like my channel name. But try it out, it should work. Then for my face, I'm going to massage MAC Strobe Cream into my face as a base, just to add a nice luminous finish because my skin's got a bit dry during this winter. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, applying this all over my face using a damp beauty blender. Then for contour, I took the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Just going to blend that into the skin using this little Zoeva mini blending brush. Blending, 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 blending. I like to do my contour first because then I can fix up any like messy parts with the concealer. So the concealer I'm using is the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer. I think this is in the shade Ivory. I'm applying some under my eyes, under my chin. You know the drill, people. Just everywhere that we didn't contour is where we're going to put that highlight shade. If you want me to do like an in-depth contour and highlight routine video this year, definitely let me know. I don't know if it's something you'd want to see. I know it's been done quite a lot here on YouTube already, but let me know if you want to see my version. So I'm applying some highlighter before I set the rest of my face. This is the Sleek Solstice palette. I use it in pretty much every single video because it's my favourite highlighter ever. I love it so much. Then, favourite powder ever, never going to change. I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Peach Glow or Pink Blossom, I can't remember, either one. They really need different shades of this powder because it is so good and there's like hardly any shades. So for contour, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm sad that I ran out of the banana shade, but I'm going to contour under my cheekbones, around my temples, top of my forehead to kind of get rid of that five head that I've got going on there. Under my jawline just to sharpen things up a little bit, you know, give it a good old sharpen. And then I'm also going to take whatever's left on the brush and just run it down the side of my nose just to make everything kind of look a little bit more sculpted and put together. And then for bronzer, I'm taking the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, I want to say. It's just the first bronzer I found that looked quite nice in the drugstore and I do really like it. Then for blush, an oldie but a goodie. This is the Benefit Havana blusher. I haven't used this in yonks, but I do absolutely love it. I'm applying this to my cheekbones and it really complements the eyes nicely. I'm going to set everything into place using the Freedom Makeup Setting Spray. Give that a good old fan to dry it all out. Then we're going to apply some more highlight. I love highlight. I love highlight. If you don't like highlight, you don't like highlight, but I do. Cool. Then I'm going to apply some more to my inner corners as well. I took the cream shade from the Sleek Solstice palette and then set it with the highlighter shade. It really does make your eyes pop, like your highlight will be blinging for miles. Blinging, blinging, blinging. Then I'm going to take that brush that I had the orange shade on, just quickly run this under my lower lash line because when I applied my foundation it kind of took away the lower lash line a little bit. So for my lashes, I'm just applying a generous coat of mascara to try to make sure they're all separated as I can possibly get them. Then I'm going to apply some brow gel through my brows just to kind of get rid of any excess powder residue and also just add a little bit more colour to them. Then for lips, I took MAC's Whirl or Spice lip liner. I'm pretty sure this is Spice from what I can see on the video. I can't remember, I filmed this a few days ago. Actually, wait, no, found the lip liner. It's Max Spice. Then I also took this lipstick from Saturated Colour. It will be linked down below. I took the Toffee lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.